Before buying climbing nuts and stoppers, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Climbing Wall Supply T-Nuts. If you're looking to set up a climbing wall, the Climbing Wall Supply T-Nuts should definitely be on your radar. Priced at $31.99, these T-Nuts are a solid choice. If you want a reliable and premium quality climbing wall T-Nut, this is worth a serious look. These T-Nuts are designed specifically for climbing walls with a requirement for a 7/16 diameter hole, making installation a breeze. The 4-prong zinc-plated design ensures they stay secure and resist corrosion, which is essential for durability over time. With 250 pieces in the pack, you'll have plenty to work with for both indoor and outdoor setups. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having the right hardware can make all the difference in the safety and effectiveness of your climbing wall. Now, some people complained about the weight of these T-Nuts, saying they're a bit heavier than other options. Here's the thing though, if you're building a sturdy climbing wall, a little extra weight translates to better durability and stability, which is worth it in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're a gym owner or a serious climber looking to build or upgrade a climbing wall. Skip this one if you're just a casual climber with no plans for a setup. For the price, the quality is hard to beat. Now, if the weight of those T-Nuts bothers you, this next option might actually be a better fit for your needs. Product number 2, Black Diamond Classic Stopper Set. Next up is the Black Diamond Classic Stopper Set, priced at $144.95. This set caught my attention due to its rave reviews and solid reputation in the climbing community. If you want reliable passive protection while climbing, this is worth a serious look. This set includes sizes 413, covering a broad range of crack shapes and sizes. The color-coded design helps you quickly grab the right nut without fumbling, saving you time when you're hanging on the wall. The durable steel cables resist fraying, ensuring they hold up over time even with frequent use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A quick and reliable gear selection can be the difference between a smooth ascent and a frustrating one. Now, some users pointed out that the price is a bit high compared to other options. But honestly, you're investing in your safety and performance here. The reliability and quality of these stoppers make them worth every penny, especially for serious climbers. This is perfect for you if you're a trad climber looking for dependable protection on multi-pitch routes. Skip this one if you're just starting out and not sure you'll climb often. For the quality, it's a worthwhile investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're looking for something lighter. Product number 3, Wild Country Superlight Offset Rocks. The Wild Country Superlight Offset Rocks are next, priced at $69.95. What caught my eye was the lightweight design, which is a big deal for climbers. If you want something that won't weigh you down, this is worth a serious look. These nuts feature an offset shape and hollow construction, which means they fit into cracks more efficiently than traditional designs. Plus, they come in 6 sizes with anodized colors for easy identification, making them super convenient to grab on the go. Here's why this matters for you. Lightweight gear can improve your endurance on long climbs, allowing you to focus on technique rather than gear fatigue. Now, some climbers mentioned that the offset shape may not fit every crack perfectly. Here's the thing though, for most placements, these are actually ideal and can save you from needing multiple sets of standard nuts. They really shine when it comes to tricky placements. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced climber looking for a lightweight, efficient option. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional nut style. For the price, it's a thoughtful addition to your gear. Now, if the offset design isn't your style, the next product might offer something more straightforward. Product number 4, Wild Country Rocks. Next, we have the Wild Country Rocks, retailing at $54.95. This caught my attention because of the extensive size range it offers. If you're looking for variety, this is worth a serious look. These nuts are designed with thinner, lighter, tapered sidewalls, making them easy to place and remove. With 14 sizes available, you can find the perfect fit for just about any crack. The anodized color coding aids in quick identification, so you won't waste time searching for the right nut. Here's why this matters for you. Having a wide variety means better adaptability on different climbs, which is crucial when you're out tackling varied terrain. Now, some users found the quality inconsistent, with a few nuts being less durable than expected. But honestly, with 14 sizes to choose from, you can find plenty that perform excellently. Just be sure to inspect each nut before use. This is perfect for you if you like having options and want to be prepared for anything. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end, specialized gear. For the price, you get a great range of options. Now, if you're looking for durable hardware for holds, the next product will really catch your interest. Product number 5, Escape Climbing Bolt Variety Pack. Finally, we have the Escape Climbing 34-Bolt Variety Pack, priced at $24.99. This caught my eye due to its comprehensive variety of bolts. If you want a complete set without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This pack includes 25 2-bolts and several others in different lengths, giving you a range to work with for various climbing holds. Made from industrial-grade steel, these bolts resist corrosion and are designed for indoor use, making them perfect for climbing gyms. Here's why this matters for you. Having the right hardware can make your climbing experience safer and more enjoyable, especially if you're setting up new routes. Now, some users mentioned that the sizes could be more clearly marked. Here's the thing though, once you get used to the pack, you'll find it's really easy to sort through and select what you need. This is perfect for you if you're setting up climbing holds and want a reliable variety of sizes. Skip this one if you're only looking for a specific size bolt for an outdoor project. For the price, it offers incredible value. Alright, that wraps up our list of climbing nuts and stoppers. To recap, we covered the durable T-nuts from Climbing Wall Supply, the reliable Black Diamond Classic stoppers, the lightweight Wild Country offset rocks, the versatile Wild Country rocks, and the comprehensive Escape Climbing Bolt Pack. Each has its strengths depending on your climbing style and needs. Choose wisely and happy climbing.